Yo, Adam Saxon with Guy in a Cube. Who doesn't like free training? In this video, I'm going to share with you some resources that are available for you today with Power BI. Let's do this. If you're finding us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the videos from both Patrick and myself. I want to shout out a blog post that Matthew Roach did in early June talking about free training that's available for Power BI, and who doesn't like free? One of the things Matthew has actually talked about is just building that data culture, and that training is a huge factor of building that culture within inside of your organization. A lot of the training that, Patrick and I talk about or that's been available out there has been for the business analyst. So this is really going through Power BI Desktop, building out those reports, those data models, all that great stuff. This training that's available that we're highlighting is actually meant for the business user, not necessarily the business analyst. So getting familiar with Power BI, it's a 60-minute course. It's available through the Microsoft stores. That's right. And it's a level 100 course. I'm hoping that they come out with some more detailed courses like a level 200 or something beyond that. But this is a great starting place for you as a business user to go get familiar with Power BI. These courses are completely online. They're completely free. They are offered at multiple different times throughout the month, the year, and you as an individual can sign up for this training. If you're at a large organization and you've got a Microsoft account person that you work with, you can actually talk with them to get set up your own personal training course for your organization, where they can deliver it directly to you if you want to set up your audience to go through that. Talk to your account representative to get more information on that. The thing I love about this also is that all of the Microsoft Store employees, once the pandemic hit, they were retooled to deliver this training. So they've been doing an outstanding job. I know that this has been delivered to a lot of organizations already, even before they release this publicly. So definitely take a look at this to help drive adoption within inside of your organization. Also, there is other great content out there as well. If you are that business analyst or you want to learn more about Power BI, I've got some links in the description below. One is the instructor-led training. There's a lot of in-a-day classes, so dashboard in a day, admin in a day. Also, there's a leap training. If you're coming from Tableau and you want to get up to speed on Power BI from a Tableau perspective, check out that as well. Some of these are offered through Microsoft partners and there may be a cost to them, but you may also be able to find free deliveries of especially the dashboard in a day training as well. But the link I have down below has access to all the instructor-led and the attendee materials for that training, so you can at least get that material as well. I've also got a link to the Power BI Learn content. This is content centered around the certification. So the DA100 course, there's a lot of great content there to get you up and running with Power BI as a business analyst as well. So check that out. All of that is just free material that's available for you to level up your skills in Power BI. Not a super long video, but a really important one when we think about training and leveling up skills in Power BI. Let me know in the comments below. Have you gone through any of this training? What was your experience? Do you like it? Are you interested in this training for you or your organization? If you like this video, be sure to hit that big thumbs up button, smash it if you so desire. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. And as always, from both Patrick and myself, thank you so much for watching. Keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.